So, my dear students, today we are going to solve the some important questions regarding trigonometry, MCQ type. So, I hope that you will watch the video carefully, and after solving the questions, you are supposed to solve the questions yourself one more time. Okay. So our first question goes like this. If x is equivalent to 2 times sine square theta, y is equivalent to 2 times cos square theta plus 1, then what is the value of x plus y? The options are before you. First option is 3, second option is 2, third option is 1, and fourth option is 1 by 2. So we have to look for the correct option. So I am given that question number 1. This is the solution to question number 1. I am given that x is equivalent to 2 sine square theta and y is equivalent to 2 cos square theta plus 1. I had to find the value of this quantity x plus y, this unknown to me. So I will consider the value of x plus y. X plus y, it will be equal to, I'll plug the value of x. The value of x is twice sine square theta plus the value of y is twice cos square theta plus 1. Now from these two expressions, I can pull out 2. 2 will be common. So inside will remain sine square theta plus cos square theta plus the constant term 1. It will be as such. So 2 will be as such. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it will become 2 into 1 plus the last constant term, that is also 1. 2 into 1 becomes 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, the value of x plus y, that is equivalent to 3. So that is the correct option. That is the correct option. Now the question number 2 states that if tan alpha plus cot alpha is equivalent to 2, then what is the value of tan power 2020 plus cot power 2020 alpha? These are the options. Option A is 0, option B is 2, option C is 2020, option B is 2 power 2020. So what I am given? Solution to question number 2. This solution to question number 2, I am given that tan alpha plus cot alpha, that is equivalent to 2. So I had to find the value of tan power 2020 alpha plus cot power 2020 alpha. I had to find the value of this quantity. So from this expression I will start. I will write tan alpha as such, no problem. Plus, we know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. Cot is equivalent to 1 by tan and tan is equivalent to 1 by cot. So in place of cot alpha, I will write 1 by tan alpha. And that is equivalent to 2. This further implies that after taking the LCM, tan alpha will go here, 1 will go here, cross multiplication. Tan alpha will become tan square alpha. 1 times 1 become 1, and in the denominator I will be having LCM of 1 and tan alpha as tan alpha, and on the right I will be having 2. This further implies that tan square alpha plus 1, this tan alpha will go on multiplication to the right, it will become 2 tan alpha. This further implies tan alpha minus 2 times tan alpha. This was plus quantity, 2 tan alpha on the right, it becomes minus 2 tan alpha on the left, plus 1 equal to 0. Sorry, this tan square alpha. If I will put tan alpha is equivalent to x, this whole expression, it will become x square minus, in place of tan alpha I will write x plus 1 equal to 0. This will be simply x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, because a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x minus 1 whole square is x square minus 2x plus 1. So x minus 1 will be as such, square will go square root on the right, so it will become 0. So square root of 0 is 0, minus 1 will go plus 1. This implies the value of x was tan alpha equal to 1. tan of which angle is 1? 45 degree. In place of 1, I will write tan 45 degree because tan 45 degree is always 1. We can look from the table also that I have shown. So alpha is equivalent to 45 degree. So when alpha is equivalent to 45 degree, I will find the value of this expression which I have to find. Therefore consider tan power 20 alpha plus cot power 20 alpha. I will plug the value of alpha that I have got. Alpha is 45 degree. So it will be tan power 20 45 degree, cot power 20 45 degree, because the value of alpha is 45. We know that tan 45 is 1, but power of tan is 20. So it will be 1 power 20. Cot 45 is 1. Power of cot is 20. So it will be 1 power 20. 1 power anything is 1. 1 power anything is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is the correct option. So the right answer is 2. Likewise, question number 3. I am given that square root of, I had to find its value. Square root of 1 plus sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta. The options are before you. The first option is sec theta plus tan theta. Second option is sec theta minus tan theta. Third option is sec square theta plus tan square theta. And the fourth option is sec square theta minus tan square theta. So this is the solution of question number 3. I'll consider from here square root of, I have to find the value of 1 plus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta. Now I will look for the correct option. I think this is the textbook question also. This will be 1 plus sine theta as such, whole divided by 1 minus sine theta. So what I will do one thing. I will multiply and divide inside the square root by 1 plus sine theta to the numerator and 1 plus sine theta to the denominator. So that 1 plus sine theta will cancel out and I will get this expression back. So this will be further equivalent to, what is 1 plus sine theta times 1 plus sine theta? It is 1 plus sine theta whole square. Okay. Because 1 plus sine theta is raised power 1. 1 plus sine theta is raised power 1. We know that when bases are same, powers are added in case of multiplication. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. But in the denominator, we will be having this formula. A minus B times A plus B. And you can guess, this is A square minus B square. So 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. It will be 1 square minus sine square theta. So square root of 1 plus sine theta whole square, I will keep it as such, whole divided by. We know that 1 square is 1. We know that 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. And 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta. Because sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sine square will be equivalent to 1 minus cos square, or cos square will be equivalent to 1 minus sine square. So in place of this 1 minus sine square theta, 1 minus sine square theta, I will write cos square theta. So square and root will go cancel. In the numerator, I will be having 1 plus sine theta. Square and root will go cancel. In the denominator, I will be having cos theta. Now this cos theta, it will be individually divided to 1 and it will be individually divided to sine theta. So it will become 1 by cos theta plus the second term would be sine theta over cos theta. We know that reciprocal of cos theta, what is that? That is sec theta. Because we know that sec theta is the reciprocal of cos and cos theta is the reciprocal of sec. And we know that tan theta is equivalent to sine theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equivalent to sine theta divided by cos theta. So in place of sine theta by cos theta, I will write tan theta. So the correct option to this quantity, to this expression is sec theta plus tan theta. So sec theta plus tan theta. The first option is correct. Okay. Now the second option, it is very straightforward. I will go to the fifth expression. The fifth expression is sine theta over 1 minus 1 plus cos theta. Sine theta over 1 plus cos theta. Let me rub the board. So let's do it. So this is, I have to find the value of, I'm telling you the fifth question, sine theta over 1 plus cos theta. Consider sine theta over 1 plus cos theta. Its options are given to be 1 plus cos theta over sine theta, 1 minus cos theta over cos theta. So I have to look for the correct option. So see what I will do. I will write sine theta over 1 plus cos theta. I will multiply it to this quantity above and below by 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta. So that 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta will get cancelled out. I will get this expression back. So in the numerator, I will be having sine theta times 1 minus cos theta whole divided by a plus b into a minus b. Again the same identity. This is a plus b times a minus b. This is equivalent to a square minus b square. So it will be in the denominator 1 square minus cos square theta. So this will be sine theta times 1 minus cos theta. We know that 1 minus cos square theta, as I already told you, it's sine square theta. I think, and it is 1 sine theta will cancelled out. I'll get 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. So that is the correct option. 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. 1 minus cos theta over sine theta. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Okay. Now coming to the sixth question. I have already solved it in the, I think, class. It is NCRT. Let me solve it again. Question number 6. First of all, I will rub the board. So my question goes like this. The first question, the question goes sine theta over 1 minus cot theta. Sine theta over 1 minus cot theta plus cos theta over 1 minus tan theta plus cos theta over 1 minus tan theta. So the options are given. The options are given before you 0, 1, sine theta plus cos theta and sine theta minus cos theta. Let's see how. Sine theta I will write as such. We know that cot is equivalent to cos by sine. Cot theta is equivalent to cos theta over sine theta. Likewise, tan theta is equivalent to sine theta over cos theta because both are reciprocals of each other. So if tan theta is sine by cos, cot theta is cos by sine. So in place of cot, I will write cos by sine. Cos theta divided by sine theta plus cos theta in the numerator as such whole divided by 1 minus, in place of tan theta, I will write sine theta over cos theta. So then after, this will be sine theta. In the denominator, I can take the cross multiplication. I can do that. It will be sine theta minus cos theta whole divided by LCM of 1 and sine theta. So it is sine theta plus cos theta. It will be as such. In the denominator, I will take the LCM cross multiplication. It will be cos theta minus sine theta whole divided by cos theta. So then after, you know what I will do. Sine theta, it will go on flip. It will go in the numerator. It will become sine theta times sine theta whole divided by sine theta minus cos theta So no problem with this. Now this cos theta, it will go in the numerator. It will become cos theta times cos theta. But in the denominator, since I have cos theta minus sin theta, since I have cos theta minus sin theta, I will write sin theta minus cos theta. So when I will do it, the minus sign will come outside, because we know that a minus b is minus times b minus a. When you will write in place of a minus b, you will write b minus a. Minus sign will come out. So this is further equivalent. Sin theta, that's sin square theta, whole divided by sin theta minus cos theta. This minus will go up. It will become cos theta, cos theta. It will become cos square theta, whole divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Then after, please wait a moment. I will rub this text. Then after, I think in the denominator, sin theta minus cos theta, I can pull out this. And inside will remain sin square theta minus cos square theta. Because in the denominator, I have pulled out this quantity and it will be taken as common. So inside will remain only sin square theta minus cos square theta. So 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, and this quantity sin square theta minus cos square theta, we know that one identity will come into rescue, a square minus b square. It resembles with this identity. Sorry, a minus b times a plus b. So sin square theta minus cos square theta, you can guess it is sin theta minus cos theta times sin theta plus cos theta. This quantity and this quantity will go, and the final answer comes out to be sin theta plus cos theta. So I have solved this question also. The correct option of the question number 6 is option C, which is sin theta plus cos theta. Now we have question number 7. Question number 7 states that tan theta over sec theta minus 1, tan theta over sec theta plus 1. The options are given. The first option is 2 tan theta. The second option is twice sec theta. And the third option is twice cosec theta. And the fourth option is 2 tan theta sec theta. Let's see. So let's start. It is question number 7. Tan theta over sec theta minus 1. Question number 7, solution. It's tan theta over sec theta minus 1 plus cos theta plus tan theta over sec theta plus 1. Tan theta over sec theta plus 1. Let's change the whole story in terms of sine and cos. Tan theta, we know. Tan theta is sine theta divided by cos theta. We know that. And in the denominator, I have sec theta minus 1. We know that sec theta is the reciprocal of cos. So I'll write 1 by cos theta. Minus 1 will be sh. Plus, again, in place of this tan theta, I will write sine theta divided by cos theta. And in the denominator, I have sec theta plus 1. Sec theta, in place of sec theta, I will write 1 by cos theta plus 1. So this will be further equivalent to, in the numerator, I will be having sine by cos. But in the denominator, I can take the reciprocal. Cos theta will go here, 1 will go here. It will be 1 minus cos theta whole divided by cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta. It will be as such, whole divided by 1 plus cos theta whole divided by cos theta. And we know that cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. In the second term, the same thing will happen. So I will be having simply sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta plus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So then after further process, this will go here, this will go here, cross multiplication, sine theta times 1 plus cos theta plus sine theta times 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta times 1 plus cos theta. Reciprocal of these two quantities, sorry, LCM of these two quantities. So sine theta will go inside on multiplication, it will go on multiplied with 1 as well as cos theta. So sine theta times 1 is sine theta plus sine theta times cos theta is sine theta cos theta plus sine theta times 1 is sine theta minus sine theta times cos theta sine theta cos theta. And in the denominator I will be having a minus b into a plus b, that is again a square minus b square, we know that, minus sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos theta, they will get cancelled out and these two terms will get added up, sine theta plus sine theta, it is 2 sine theta whole divided by, we know that 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta and 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So in place of 1 minus cos square theta, I will write sine square theta. So this is 2 times 1 sine theta will get cancelled out. It will be 2 divided by sine theta, because in the numerator sine theta will get cancelled out. Sine theta will, when it will go cancelled out, in the denominator I will be only having sine theta. So 1 upon sine theta is cosec theta, because we know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. So its correct option is 2 times cosec theta. Okay. So question number 8, we can also do this. Question number 8, let me do question number 8. Rest of the questions I will upload in the next video, because the video should not become too lengthy. In that case it will become difficult to upload. So question number 8 I will do, then after I will stop my lecture and rest of the questions you will try. So if x is equivalent to a cos theta, y is equivalent to b sin theta, what is the value of b square x square plus a square y square? So options are given before you. So my first option is, question is given, value is given, x is equivalent to a cos theta, comma y is equivalent to b sin theta, b times sin theta. I had to find the value of this quantity, b square x square. Therefore consider, I will find its value, b square x square plus a square y square. So b square I will keep it as such, my x square, since x is equivalent to a cos theta, therefore x square it will be equivalent to a square cos square theta. Likewise a square will be as such, y is equivalent to b sin theta, therefore y square is equivalent to b square sin square theta. So this is a square b square, I will write this in the alphabetical order, a square b square cos square theta plus a square b square sin square theta. A square b square, it will be taken out as common, inside will remain cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now you can guess what is the answer. Since cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, so it is a square b square into 1, and that is equivalent to a square b square. So that's the option, correct option. So question number 8 I have also solved. The first option is correct. The rest of the questions you can try. You can take the screenshot, or I can make one more video of rest of the questions. Like, share and subscribe to my video.